Well, the viewers asked for it, the viewers received it. A stapler. Just stapled that on my work laptop, hope it didn't break the screen. Anyway, what we have here is a standard stapler. I don't know where those staples are going. I mean, just hit it twice. Oh, there's caught in there. Oh yeah, she's working great. Let's see if we can test her out. Got a piece of paper here for the TV. Yep, she's working. Got this at a garage sale. Made in Mexico. Let's just start saying names on the show. ACCO Brands. Out of Linkshire, Illinois. Swingline.com. I don't know, feels better than the stuff made today. Who's judging?